Hey, what's up guys? So it's like middle of the day because I spent my morning editing the video, which should be up now. It's supposed to rain in like an hour, and like for the rest of the day my car's outside because the garage is like all filled with tools and crap. So I really gotta go clean it up and get the car in the garage because, like I said, the driver window doesn't roll up, and I mean the passenger one does. Is it raining right now? Oh shit. It's raining right now. No. My poor baby. Okay, I'm gonna go grind on cleaning this garage and make like a time lapse out of it because I don't want this thing to get wet, or at least my seats. But before I start, check this damn exhaust, boy. I love it so much. Like, I hated my old exhaust. It was just a temporary thing, but God, I love this so much. It's literally just 3-inch the last couple of inches, and we slash cut it, and I think it looks baller, and this isn't gonna rust or anything. Obviously sounds exactly the same, but yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. That crisis is averted. I don't really know what to do today, quite honestly. I mean, I really don't have much else left to do to this car besides put a kit on it and paint it, but obviously I'm just waiting for the kit now. Still, this really bothers me, like I mentioned. I don't understand what it's doing. Like, it's even worse. Like, it's literally just all of it is like peeled off. Maybe there's something with like Lexan that it doesn't stick or anything to like 3M polyurethane stuff doesn't stick to Lexan or polycarbonate maybe, and instead it just peels off the paint. Cause like, I mean, I don't know if this is waterproof or not, but hopefully if it's not, then I don't know, I might have to totally redo this. I really don't know what to do. I don't know what you guys think of like maybe taping off this entire area on the outside and just spray painting all of this black so that the rivets and this stuff is black, but it won't look as clean as this does because this is the black behind the thing. If you spray paint the actual thing, it'll be obvious. I considered vinyl wrapping, but the rivets would be a big issue with vinyl wrapping, so I really don't have a clue of what to do. Yeah, I feel really stupid about this. Yeah, like I said, clueless. I know they have sealant stuff where it's just like something that it sticks onto the car, and when you press against it, it's just like a foam, and it waterproofs it. But basically, people attach this with like rib nuts or screws so that they can actually take this off whenever they feel like it. Same thing with the quarter windows. Other than that, super clueless about that, but I finished tightening both seats. That's all I really had to do. Not really sure what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Maybe, if anything, how about, because somebody mentioned this, how about we do like a Q&A? So like this video, drop your questions. Anything, just drop your questions, and I'll jot down all the questions and print it out, and for tomorrow's video, we'll just do a giant Q&A of the car and my plans for it, and whatever your question might be, quite honestly, just don't be an asshole. Yeah, I think that might be nice. I mean, last time I did a Q&A, the car didn't even have a wing, so that wasn't really, you know, the best. So, I mean, yeah, I'll even post it on Instagram or whatever, see if anyone wants to have any questions or anything like that. I'm really hyped for the kit, though, I have to say. I mean, all this car really needs to look like a car. The interior's done, the interior looks insane. The outside doesn't match it. People actually really liked seeing this thing at the meet. I don't know why. It had a good amount of crowd around it and people taking pictures. I don't know why, once again, because it kind of looks like shit in my opinion with no fender. Well, it has like one fender that's on that side, and then it has no fenders in the front or anything, so I don't really get it, but the interior looks sick. So I also wanted to talk to you guys about the competition. We destroyed stage 2 just like we destroyed stage 1. 1,300 votes to 30 votes or something like that. And next I'll be versing, I don't know. I was looking at the chart. I think the person I'm versing is a girl with like a wide body BRZ or something like that, who got like 150 or something like that votes in this round. So like I said, the next 3 rounds, there's 6 stages. Sixth stage being the last stage, the last 2 people at SEMA. So I think the next like 3 stages, like stage 2, which is right now, stage 3, 4 are gonna be boring. The stage 5 I think is the last 4. So I already talked to the Fast and Furious guy, and we kind of agreed that like towards the end we'll probably just promote each other, just because we both want to see each of our cars there. Either way, both of our goals is to get our cars to SEMA. He wants to get it there because he wants to be, like I said, with the Jesse Actor and Cody Walker, Paul Walker's brother. I want to get it there because it's just a bucket list thing to get a car there that I built with my own hands from scratch. Also, the sponsors would be great for the 2019 track season, because you need sponsors to track, at least with my financial situation. He says particularly he doesn't care about winning first place too much. It doesn't matter, like I said, we're both winners if we get to SEMA. If I win first place, then it's just better for me financial wise, because the sponsors give you a lot of like really expensive stuff, like over like $1,000, $2,000 value. Like AEM I think gives you like a digital dash, and Airlift gives you like a full bag kit and stuff for your car. Not that I would put it on because, you know, race car, but just saying, if you guys are experiencing issues with voting, it ended at 2 p.m. It's about 4 p.m. right now. Stage 3 starts tomorrow at 12 p.m. I'll make a post on the community section, stuff like that. Sorry this video is like basically pointless. I just wanted to show you guys the exhaust and just show you guys about the Lexan. Please comment what you think I should maybe do with the Lexan, because I'm kind of dumbfounded. I don't want to leave it like that. I think it looks totally shit and just crap.
How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Good. Is that a Shiba Inu?
Yeah.
How old?
About to be 2 in October.
Nice. Beautiful dog.
Thank you.
What do you got done to the car?
A lot.
M3?
Yeah.
Nice. What motor?
S54.
Okay,
The M3 engine.
Yeah, turbo or just straight 6?
Straight 6, okay. 3.2 I think, 3.2, yeah.
Hey, you don't need to add anything to those motors.
It just has race headers, but for now that's all it is. I mean,
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I can see that. What, you got roll cage in there?
Yeah, it has a full welded roll.
Got it and everything?
Yeah, it's a full cage that's welded completely.
Okay.
I'm waiting for the wide body in like a week. Okay. A random guy just was asking about the car, as you heard, and the dog too, Shiba boy. I don't know what I was on. Oh no, I was talking about how the video is pointless. Yeah, the Lexan, I think it looks shit. Don't know what to do. Give me recommendations. I'm open to taking it off and like redoing things. I mean, whatever. I don't want to take a car to like the biggest show in America with that, you know. Like I want to at least kind of try at least a little bit. But anyways, just drop a question below. Anything you want to know, whether it's about my life. Don't get too personal. Whether it's about my life or racing or the futures of this car, what racing I want to do, what engine, transmission, colors, Need for Speed, favorite Need for Speed, favorite car, favorite Need for Speed car, whatever the hell you want to ask me, just drop it. It'll make for a cool video. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for the Q&A.